Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with DigitalOcean affiliate payouts, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your DigitalOcean affiliate payouts, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, find and click on the billing section in the left-hand menu. In the billing section, look for the affiliate tab and click on it. This will take you to your affiliate earnings overview. Review your total earnings and ensure you have reached the minimum payout threshold. Next, click on the Withdraw button to initiate a payout request. You'll be prompted to select your preferred payment method. Choose between options like PayPal or bank transfer. If selecting PayPal, enter your PayPal email address in the field provided. For bank transfers, make sure to input your correct bank details accurately. After entering your payment information, double-check for any mistakes. Once you have confirmed the details, click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Keep an eye on your email for notifications about the status of your payout. Withdrawal processing times may vary, so check back if needed. If you encounter any issues, refer to the DigitalOcean support page for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.